Welcome back. This is James with Accurate Crime Reporter. This video comes to us from Oroville, California. The Butte County District Attorney's Office just on Tuesday released the footage that involves a person that was pulled over and a gunfight ensues. Now I need to warn you, this one's pretty graphic, so please, viewer discretion is advised.
It's good, it's good, it's good.
So you just flip across. Step on left arm out the window and flip you off.
Show me your hands! Get your hands up! Show me your hands now!
Move up. Move up.
Get those hands up!
Hands up. Hands up. Show me your hands.
You're not going anywhere. Get up! Get them up!
Hands up. Hey, GD, put your hands up. GD, hey, I'm talking to him. Hey,
Go
GD.
for it.
Hey, bud. Hey, put your hands up.
Unit 6 Clark, watch your crossfire. C short north.
GD.
Unit 78 Clark, watch your crossfire.
I need you to, man. Hey, you gotta show us your hands. Put your hands in the air.
Sutter County approaching with the K9 unit.
He does have a dog in the car.
GD. I need you to cooperate, man. Throw your hands in the air.
There is a pit bull in the car.
Put your hands in the air.
He was concerned about getting
If you
the
have an
dog
update,
hurt.
Chris.
Maybe if we can get him to let the dog out.
We're still stopping.
GD.
Confirming still rolling southbound.
Canine up!
GD, I need you to show me your hands. GD, put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Hands!
Hands up.
Right hand now!
Put your hands up.
As you can see, things got really intense. When GD Hendrix, 48 years old, exited the vehicle, he actually raised a pipe towards the police officers. Not knowing it was a gun or not, they opened fire. Unfortunately, Mr. Hendrix lost his life, along with a police dog named Bandit and Mr. Hendrix's pit bull. So this was a lose-lose-lose situation. Very unfortunate. Now I'm going to put all the information you need down in the description section. And if you have any questions or concerns, put it in the comments below and I'll answer them. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Please subscribe, share and like, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for future videos. You take care now.